Hey everyone, it's Cody at North Country Nightmares here in Watertown, New York. I did have Bryan from Scare Factor. Lost him. Either over there, not sure which one, but hopefully finds his way out soon enough. So we have a haunted hayride, lasts about 15 minutes in our woods, and a sane asylum, which is actually in a greenhouse. It's pretty sick, you gotta check it out. Like I said, Bryan's lost somewhere. He's gonna find his way out, but we got food trucks here every night, beer trucks occasionally, if you're lucky, that is. A big blackout maze. So if you guys have nothing to do in here in Watertown, New York, you gotta come check us out.
Fresh meat coming through. Come on. The doctor is waiting for you.
A doctor? But I'm not sick.
He's gonna do to you what he did to me.
How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
How you doing?
Let's go! The doctor needs you!
He's waiting.
Let's go now! The doctor needs you!
That's a fancy mask.
Are you here to play with me?
Sure. What are we playing?
You can stay. You can be one of my dollies. You make such a pretty dolly, please.
Does that mean I get a nighttime story and a kiss on the forehead? And...
He's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you.
Get out!
All right.
She says I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, probably.
She's a liar.
I-
All she ever does is lie. All she ever does is lie. Why are you filming my experiments?
I'm a corporate spy. I was sent here by your competitor.
Just like you. Please help me. Don't go. Don't go. Please.
All right, bye then.
You don't leave, I'm going to kill you. Take your bell! Did you like my friends?
I did.
Welcome to North Country Nightmares,
Hey. Hey girl, what's up?
where everybody fends for themselves. This is a 15-minute ride. Or will they?
Oh, your hair's looking real good. Oh my God, that's a human. She's like, Mommy, I did your over there.
Work it, girl.
Oh my God! Hey, she just called me a scallywag. Oh my God, that's actually so They're getting. Watch your hand, Oh my God! She's gonna eat it. Oh wait, it's raining, Oh my God! Oh my God, do you do track? Me too. Who's that? Hi guys! Hi! Oh my God, that's great.
Okay, I don't know what's going on. I fell off the hayride. The actors, they took me and they took the camera, and I don't know what happened. Everything went blank for a while. Anyway, come to North Country Nightmares haunted house, haunted hayride. It's scary. They're gonna get me. Let's talk about what's going on here, and I have no idea what the hell this intro is supposed to be. Here at North Country Nightmare, let's go take a look at both of them. Let's not. Let's film an actual decent intro. Okay. I guess we're just not gonna film a good intro here. I'll use what I've got, I guess. And if not, this is probably what you'll be seeing. And if you're seeing this, I'm sorry.
I forgot what I was gonna say. Thanks for putting me on the spot. God, what am I supposed to say again? I'm sorry. Somewhere. And I can move the camera like somewhere. Don't turn around though, probably.
Right, yeah, just don't get me in the front.
Yeah! Well, there he is. There he is. Hey everyone, it's Cody at, nope, not Watertown Garden Center.